Hi Year 12s, I'm just going to show you where you can find practice exam papers and questions if you're doing revision. Okay, so if you have a look at the Padlet on the left hand side, you can see revision materials. If you go to click on the first one, this is alevelrevision.com, which is really good. They have got quite a lot of advertising now, but you can see that that takes you straight to exam questions by topic. So you just scroll down and you get questions, and then there's a video going through some of the examples. When you go on the questions, there's lots of adverts these days, and you scroll down, eventually it comes up. You can download if you want to, or you can try the questions, and then if you click, it goes straight to the mark scheme. Eventually. There we go. Okay. So alevelrevision.com, that's great for quite challenging questions usually. Okay, so let's scroll down a bit further on the revision materials. So this is your tail math videos. They show you how to do things. Physics and Maths Tutor is great if you're wanting papers. So now we want to do A-level maths papers. Okay. And we scroll down. And you can see that this is for your A-levels. Any of these exam boards are absolutely fine to use. Ours is OCR, okay, OCR A. But the other exam boards have got the same syllabus except for a few details, okay, which is mostly in the statistics. So if you click on AS level and scroll down, you can see it's got the different exam papers there. All right, and the nice thing is it also has model answers as well as the mark scheme. Okay, so if you run out of OCR ones, you can try the AQA, the Edexcel, and the MEI ones as well, and that's absolutely fine. Okay, Physics and Maths Tutor also have in the A-level section, they've got A-level revision, and in the A-level revision section, again, we can pick, oh no, they've gone to GCSE for that. Let's see if this, there we go, A-levels. Then I would pick OCR if you're doing revision, and they've got all of the different topics. Now this is year 1 and year 2, so year 12 and year 13 mixed in. So you pick something that looks familiar, and then you'd be able to choose the year 12 or year 13 bits. Okay. They have got summary sheets and lots of questions. So close that. So back to the Padlet. If you scroll down a bit further, Maths Genie. So this one has worked solutions rather than mark schemes as well. Okay, and you scroll down, here's the pure, and then there's mechanics and stats, and they have some videos as well. These questions are usually less complicated. So if you want to make sure you're solid on the basics, do this first. Okay. And then if you keep going a bit further, madasmaster has got crazy hard stuff for A-level, year 13. I'm keeping on scrolling until, so if you want some books to revise from with loads of questions and solutions, these alpha workbooks are reasonably cheap, but they're brilliantly set out. They have they leave gaps for you to fill in, and then they gradually reduce the gaps and the help. So for some questions, they just tell you what you're trying to do, and then you follow the instructions. They're really good. So let's keep going. They're right, Jethwa Maths. So this Jethwa Maths, if you look at the Maths A level and you look at AS practice papers. So these are just made up by Jethwa. So if you run out of AQA, MEI, Edexcel and OCR papers, then you can do some practice papers that have been made up to be in the right style. Okay, I think this person does Edexcel, but it's pretty close. Okay, and there's answers for that as well. Right, well, I hope that helps.